Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm gonna make an easy, simple red beans and rice and some baked chicken. I don't have every single thing that's typically in a red beans and rice recipe, but I made it work with what I have. I'm moving and I'm basically just cleaning out. I have bay leaves here, I have bouillon cubes, I have my red beans, onions. That's my smoked turkey that was deep in my freezer. This is a pound of jalapeno cheddar sausage. This is about 8 cloves of garlic, and this is jalapeños. I didn't have any peppers, so I'm using jalapeños. You want to rinse up your beans, get rid of any rocks or unfamiliar pieces of anything that doesn't look like a bean. Get rid of it out of, once you rinse it up. And this is why it's important to rinse your beans or at least go through them. So over here is my pressure cooker. This is what I'll be cooking the beans in. It's a lot faster, easier cleanup, and everything goes in at once. So I'm going to saute with the saute option on my pressure cooker. The pepper, the garlic, the sausage, and the onion. Just saute it for like 10 minutes, and then we're going to add everything else. Alright, so once you add the aromatics, the onions, the garlic, etc., you want to add your smoked meats to the pot as well as your bouillon cubes and your bay leaves. All ingredient measurements will be in my description box. However, remember these things are to taste, so I may have added more later on because I wanted it more seasoned. You might not like it as seasoned, so make sure you taste your food, guys. So I'm going to set my pressure cooker to high pressure for 1 hour. If it needs more time, I'll do it, but after an hour I'll see where I'm at. And so now let's work on the rub for the chicken. Easy, simple rub. I'm going to add some brown sugar, some smoked paprika, some chili powder, salt, pepper. I had a lot of pepper in here because I love the peppery taste with the brown sugar. It's so good, you guys. So you're going to see me. I had to speed step that because I added a whole lot of pepper. And also some cumin and some salt. Mix that up, and that's it. The rub for the chicken. Just like this. These are my chicken legs. They're boneless. They're skinless, not boneless. I'm sorry, you guys. They're skinless. I'm going to wash them up with some salt and water. This is how I'm washing it today because I didn't have any lemons or limes. So I'm going to wash it up. Drain the water off really well, and then we're going to season them. I just wanted to say, look how beautiful this rub is on this chicken. This is why I love making my own rubs from scratch. This is another classic one that I use when I'm not using my own spice. This is what the chicken looks like after an hour with that rub sitting on it. The brown sugar got all melted and got down into the chicken, so it's good to go. This right here is my beans after an hour and a half. Look how amazing they look. Now, this is where you want to season it. Salt, pepper, whatever you want, season it. I had some rub left. I'm going to add it in here. No, it did not make it sweet because of the brown sugar. It actually balanced it out, and it was really, really good. I love the cumin background in the beans with this spice rub. So this is the chicken. Pop it in the oven and get it ready to go. So now we're going to plate things up. I'm going to taste it at the end and let you guys see what I thought about it. Ooh, look at this chicken. Y'all, the whole food was good, but I'm just so impressed with that chicken. It's crazy. And I didn't miss the skin. The skin is like I didn't even know wasn't there. That's how good this chicken was. So yeah, I'm about to try it and let you guys know what I thought. Look at this beautiful, beautiful plate of food. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and thank you guys for watching. All right, you guys, I'm gonna try this. I still can't get over this chicken. It is so beautiful, perfectly cooked and seasoned. So let's get into this. Look how juicy that chicken is. Look how juicy. And it's not hot at all. It's super delicious and flavorful. Okay. That was a good bite too. Y'all, this chicken good as hell. Look at this. Ooh, hot. Ooh, hot. Ooh, hot. All right, you guys. Hope you give this recipe a try. I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.